Hi Jefferson friends, this is the tutorial on how to use the SMARTboard. So first, let's work on turning it on. So you will see all of these buttons right here. I will go over what they all are. This is the on-off button, volume, that's to pause. This is the screen shade. Here I will turn on the SMARTboard. So as you can see, it's on. The screen shade just is that, so you can hide what you're seeing. Then you have this button, which is the input button. So then you can go to all of the different HDMIs and different outlets. And then you have the home button that'll bring you back home. On the home screen, there are some different things that you can see. On here, you can access a whiteboard just by pressing it, where then you will be able to use the pens to write with. You can hit home to leave. And then you can use the browser. You can also use this to sign in. So if you sign in, you can log in to your Google account and then you can access Google Drive from here. You can do Google Meets, whatever you may need. You can go to YouTube, all that fun stuff. I will go into more information in the next video.